Alright. First fishing. Nathan bringing in our fish here. I see when the line run. Yeah. Yeah. He has something, he has Zoffy. Yeah. I see when they shoot out. Yeah, it's on you. Guy going to help him. The guy assisting his brother. Oh, follow. What with him? Go up and go up with him, Nathan. Nathan catch a fish. First fish. Kyle stick his line on the reef.
I stick my line out.
Plato trying to get it out. So far, that's the first fish we catch. Plato, I think Plato get it out for me, you know. Let me see. Yeah.
I sit right at one time. Come on.
Oh. I can't come out here. We have small fish boats in action here. Ah! Catch a big butterfish here, boy.
More big butterfish here.
A big butters. I feel it's about a 5 pound.
Pretty fine, fun. Yeah, the bite.
You got Harry? Look Harry. Yeah. What happened, Kyle? Harry, come right by you and you catching? Ah.
I don't need a sandwich.
Right now, Nathan, quick, make it quick, Sam, too now. We get it, Kyle, a nice bite? We got Kyle and Harry fishing down there. Yeah, small fish boat in action here. Where it was? A butters or? Oh gosh. You were not bringing a butters and fall back in. He training Kyle, but Kyle again no training. Because he catch it, Kyle catch nothing yet. Harry have them again. And next one. I feel this one bigger. Ooh! Butters, boy, butters! Big butters again, boy. Nice one. Two. Go get him. Nice butters. Oi! I bring no this thing, you know. Take it, get him. You want to bring down the grill? Hold him. Hold him quick. Bring him up, trim him up on top. Trim him up there. Nathan looking for a piece of bamboo. That's too big. Like we got roast our fish. We hardly have anything. We have Harry and Kyle trying to catch some small fish. Plato working security guard. Making sure nobody take the fish. And we're gonna see if we can roast butters that Harry catch. We gonna light that fire now. So oh, I end up leaving this scale on it, so you go have it on the scale. Put more on it, Paul. We have a fire there, we got to chill. Yeah, just and rub it in. Right, that's good. Rub it in. Yeah. Alright, on this side too. So we are need to rub it in the fish. Right. And we're gonna put it in the fire. Nice. Put it down here. Alright. We're gonna roast our butterfish. So what we do, we leave these scales on the fish so it won't stick up on the wire. That's the trick to it. We have a little fire going there. Good eating, you call that, thank you, Nathan? And we had the cricks and the tuna. So we gotta try we hand here with this fish here. There's fire going here. And we have Kyle fishing. Harry relaxing. All of the carry there. And the boat behind him too. And the Plateau sleeping. Every time we go fishing, Plateau does go and sleep, boy. He just fell too true and go and sleep. And then when Harry take a fish, he's game to pull it in, so he look like he's a big fisherman. Yeah, boy. He's sleeping, boss. Oh, we have, you put the ketchup on it, Nathan?
Ketchup?
You can bring 2 ketchup there. Open a pack and rest on the fish, quick in the fish.
Ketchup?
Yeah. Fish roasted. They're mashing up the bonito. So Nathan go squeeze some ketchup on it. Nah, I bring no line. Bubbling, fish bubbling, yes?
Bubble?
Yeah, watch that end bubbling.
And inside he had bubble. But ketchup?
Yeah, squeeze it over the fish, on the meat.
Ah, hot. I get burning up.
Now I put the I leave the scales so it won't stick. So ketchup, and I'm gonna spread it so it will look nice. Put 2 there.
So now the fire was then. So let's get to burn the only done. Oh my god.
Alright. So the fish done. Roast fish. Put some Maggi in it. Can I go do the first taste? On the rock. How it is then? Good. What are words I could describe it with?
Good.
So we have roast fish on the rocks here. Compliments Harry. Nathan throwing Harry about a half an hour going Plateau still sleeping. And Nathan throwing again. 8 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock and roast fish for breakfast. Kyle alone busting up this whole fish here.
But this is like barbecue.
Barbecue?
Like barbecue
So-
chicken and fish mix.
So Nathan could cook then.
Yeah.
Like the fire. Roast fish on the rocks. So it's actually Juve morning. What's up on my mouth? Nah, yeah. Juve morning. And we come along to make a little fishing. Fishing wasn't all that great, but we still roast a fish. Harry catch a butterfish. And we roast it. So it tastes real good right now. We drop, burn out. And they're playing cricket again. Let's see cavity one up. Oh, ini knockout plateau.
Okay, Mario, please.
Ah,
Oh, that's wide.
well, close off your video one time, Kyle.
We are the rock and fish, my God. We have bunch of fish and cricket.
And roast fish on your rocks.
Yeah.
Wide. Right. One off for the rock and fishing, boys.